Hey, welcome back. If you manage Apple devices inside Microsoft Intune, there is one certificate you absolutely cannot skip, the Apple MDM Push Certificate, also known as APNS. Get this wrong, and none of your iPhones or Macs will enroll. Get it right in the next 3 minutes, and you are done. Let's go. Head into Intune and click on Devices. Under Device Onboarding, click Enrollment. Then choose Apple Platform. Notice something? Almost every option on this screen is grayed out. That is intentional. Intune is telling you, loud and clear, that the Apple MDM Push Certificate is your mandatory first step before anything else unlocks. Click on Apple MDM Push Certificate. You will see the status showing not set up. That is exactly where we want to start. There are 5 steps here, and I will walk you through each one. Step 1. Check the I agree box to accept Microsoft's terms. Quick and easy. Done. Step 2. Click Download your CSR and save that file somewhere you will remember. This is the certificate signing request. Intune generates it, and Apple needs it in the next step. Step 3. And this is where it gets interesting. Click the link to open the Apple Push Certificates portal. Sign in with your Apple ID. Quick tip here, use a shared or organizational Apple ID, not your personal one. You do not want this certificate tied to someone's personal account. Click Create a Certificate, agree to Apple's terms of use, and now, don't skip this part. Add a meaningful note describing which tenant or organization this certificate belongs to. This sounds small, but trust me, when renewal time comes around in 365 days, you will thank yourself for writing it down. Upload the CSR file you downloaded in Step 2, and Apple will generate your push certificate. Download it. You are almost there. Step 4. Back in Intune, enter the Apple ID email address that was used to create the certificate. Again, document this. It matters every single year at renewal. Step 5. Upload the Apple Push Certificate file you just downloaded from the portal. Hit Upload, and that is it. Look at the status now. Active. Expiry in 365 days. Your APNS setup is complete. Now close that blade and look at the enrollment screen again. Every option that was grayed out, all unlocked. You are now ready to enroll iPhones, iPads, and Macs into Intune. If this saved you some time, drop a like and subscribe. More Intune walkthroughs are coming. See you in the next one.